believe the president today, and the president follows through on the threat he just issued. The federal government, fully controlled by Republicans, who shut down just about a month before the midterm election. Which, to be clear, is the last thing the Republican leadership in Congress wants. You know that because Paul Ryan and Mitch McConnell met with the president last week to push him hard to avoid a government shutdown, delaying the fight over border wall funding until after election. Now, the president's threats of a shutdown could fly in the face of any deal Republican leaders might have.
Caesar, he ain't Caesar.
Well,
so Homeland Security will get funded before the midterm.
Well, I know, but that's somebody else's rendition.
Well, I
don't see him wearing robes and shit. Oh, yeah, before you called him the Fuhrer.
Yeah, all these things.
Well, make up your mind.
Benji Sarlin, my colleague, mentioned today that usually shutdowns are this annoying blame game where each side says the other side did it, but it's refreshing to have the president just come out and say. He also tweeted over the weekend that he basically wants a shutdown, that like he will be responsible for it.
Yeah, absolutely, and I think it's clear that he doesn't understand how shutdowns work. He also doesn't understand how the optics of a shutdown are supposed to work in Washington, which is kind of fun. It seems like he is hell-bent on sticking the Republican Party with something just awful right before the midterms. It's like we had the Putin meeting. He was going to bring Putin to the White House just as we're all going to go vote in the midterms and remind everybody that he's beholden to a Russian dictator.
All right, Louis, wrong address.
We're going to do that next year instead, maybe.
We are doing a really grassroots, Washington politics here. Looking at on-track coming down the street.
He has already changed the way he said.
The politics of this.
Say, Trump say, you beat really.
That's what he said earlier.
They're strong.
Not yet.
They want immigration front and center. But the data.
Will and willing are nearby.
No, they're not
nearby.
The record high 75% of Americans saying immigration is good.
Let's don't split hairs here because I ain't got this. You got very few. I don't want to split yours. You got very few.
It probably isn't political. You would have to think.
I got none.
To really do this,
pretty close.
This is
You got one I got. I got what?
Which is that he wants the war.
Very few hairs to split. So far. I got none.
Is that they're going to lose some seats in the House, but not enough to lose full control of the House, and probably not going to be able to maintain full control of the GOP member after the election for this wall. So, I mean, I think the calculus really is that if the wall doesn't get funded before these elections,
I'm going to tell you what's going on here. I have no.
Does he mean?
I would.
Now, I want to tell you what's going on right now. They're not going to lose the majority in the House or the Senate only because everybody's working, the economy's working, everything is good, the tariffs, the EU is already backed off, now China's next, Putin is over in his own little corner over there, they might have a love fest, who gives a fuck, I don't care as long as everything is good. That's all I got to say about that.
Immigration in the U.S. in the next 11 days before the...
He doesn't know that he only has 11 days. He doesn't know what chain migration means.
I knew I was going to get a backlash.
That he's talking about when it comes to this policy, except perhaps building a wall.
A backlash?
It's a very simple concept.
No, I don't know.
It's related to real estate, which is a thing that he eventually is aware of in a meaningful capacity. It's why he likes to see those demonstrations in San Diego where everybody brings up the different kinds of walls. How many times has he walked through or had cameras walk through? We could have it look like this, we could have it look like this. This is clearly something that he feels a personal connection to. I'm going to argue because it's one of the only things before him as president that he has a basis of knowledge for wall building.
There's a reporting actually Steve Bannon came up with the wall idea to make him remember to talk about
it. Of course, I mean, and then they chant it back.
And that don't mean Turkey, that don't mean Russia.
And other than, draining the swamp never got as big a crowd reaction as building the wall. So if he thinks that this is what the crowd is going to go wild for.
No, we already know. I had to turn it down a little bit.
Why?
Because it's too loud. I'll turn it back up at your discretion. But no, I already told you, nobody's going to vote against Trump because the economy is running good, people are working, putting money back in the system. The tariffs are working.
Yeah, but you
know,
forget something. What a short memory.
We need short memory.
Obama did all this.
No, he did not.
Well, you gotta be kidding me.
No, he gave us EBT. He gave us welfare rolls were the highest they'd ever been in history. That's what he gave us. Sure, he got people back on their feet. Okay, but they abused the system, and that's all I gotta say about that.
That's not much involved, but we got the economy in shambles.
Who did?
Obama in 2008.
2008 got it, and what we get in 2016?
What the heck we got in here in Las Vegas? What happened on the 3rd or 4th month of 2008? Just because of Bush. How many people Las Vegas practically ceased to exist?
Among other places in the United States.
Among other places, but here was the first.
Okay, but I have a question for you. I have a question for you.
Give me maybe.
Okay, Obama forced health care down our throats. Not the people on Medicaid, people on Medicare, people on Medicaid. Forced it down our throats, or you had to buy these policies. If you didn't, you had to pay a fine.
They tried to do something. Okay. It's not working. Let's fix it.
That's what we're trying to do.
No.
But there's opposition to it at every road.
Now,
They never repealed it, and
what
only
Hitler wants to do is
not Hitler, Caesar.
Hitler, Caesar, what? All of those.
All of those?
President.
How many can you go down the list of? Mussolini?
Napoleon.
Mussolini?
Mussolini.
Yeah, he was weak. I know.
Talk about people with power.
Alexander the Great?
Alexander the Great.
Okay.
Because he was not Democrat. And
Back then there was no democracy.
there was
Not much.
already
Greece.
Well, he was supposed to be Greek.
Well, he was, but he decided he didn't like democracy.
That I know.
Okay.
Putin doesn't like the democracy.
No,
He doesn't want it.
he doesn't want it. He doesn't want it.
Trump doesn't like the democracy. He doesn't want it.
Oh, come on. Oh, you're killing me, man.
Yeah, you.
You know what? It's just like Trump met with that guy from North Korea. You don't hear no more about them except they're sending back remains from our servicemen, sent them to South Korea. They're being processed. Everything is rolling in that direction. I think it's going to happen in Russia too. And I think Putin's going to decide, well, it's either I keep all the money I've stashed in all these bank accounts all over the world and live and enjoy my money, or I go up against Trump, and I don't want to do that.
He's already doing it.
No, he's not. Not even nearby. And the Iranian guy. And the Iranian guy.
Oh, yeah.
The Iranian guy.
They are full of bullshit.
See, we've never had this in a long time since back when, little after, little after 9/11. That's when we were shaking the world up a little bit. But, Trump is doing it, but he's doing it economically. That's what's different about it. And I like it. I like it.
I know you're gonna give up. I just saw right now. And there is a 1 year of Charlottesville. When you write, make Charlottesville parade has been what? Over 50 years we didn't see white people. Let's put it that way. Not even the Clubhouse friends doing something. They felt like they could do with Trump.
Well, it's got to do with the rights of the people, Louis. Everybody has a right to live in this country. Everybody has the right to...
It's not the way I have to see now.
Well, I know, because now it's really bad. God forbid if you're a police officer.
Oh, yeah.
God forbid. God forbid.
Yeah.
God forbid.
Yeah.
God forbid.
Whatever money they make, it is not worth it.
God forbid if
Not
you're a
anymore.
police officer.
Not
God
anymore.
forbid. God forbid. I'm telling you. It's to the point it bothers me to no end. No end, really. No end.
You know what the cops should do? Stop the government. Decide not to hire white people to be cops.
Why? Everybody is equal opportunity employees.
No.
They said that from a long time ago, and I wonder where that came from. That came from the civil rights movement. Okay? So it doesn't matter if you're white, black, Asian, yellow, green, purple. It doesn't matter.
I tried to start extrapolation, and you got me
I know, but you said the wrong word.
Maybe.
Okay.
Now, stop hiring white people to be cops. Just
That was the thing you said. And that got me off, because
I keep saying,
the civil rights movement made it different to where you couldn't do it that way. You cannot do it that way. It's impossible.
you know
law.
what I mean about extrapolation?
But it's in law.
I didn't extrapolate.
We can't stop it. It's a law.
I'm extrapolating. There is only way, always a way to circumvent the law. The new Caesar, new Hitler, he's doing it. Just hire the race,
And nobody else does it.
not like he's got the power. That's the difference.
Okay.
If you do something like that, I don't give a damn. Because you are one and one. You don't have the power to change people's minds. He's got stuff.
No, he doesn't. He's not a communist. He's not a
I
Nazi.
didn't say he's a communist.
He's not.
Oh yeah, that's the fourth right.
No!
Oh,
You're crazy. You're crazy.
I ain't crazy. I always say I'm crazy. You remember
You're doing it right now.
You remember
What time is it?
that movie?
Oh my
That's
God.
what it's 7.
5:45.
Oh,
You've been sleeping too long, Rip Van Winkle.
yeah. That's my body works.
Yes. Well, you got to keep it in tip-top shape for all the women coming over. So, okay. Got to keep it tip-top shape.
Yeah. Nah, I don't remember.
You know what?
I lost-
This whole exchange reminds me of. Now I'm stepping into the twilight zone, and I'm into my house, and I'm going home. When the bullet hits the bone. Oh, when the bullet hits the bone.
You got talking about me being crazy. Do you remember?
I know I'm crazy, but that's what's kept me alive. Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
No, that movie with, what's the name of that guy?
We got the ice cream man doing the winter songs. That's the only, evidently, tape he has left.
Well, Clementine.
Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling.
That's what he's playing. Was what? The black guy, Danish, I don't remember his last name, and this Australian guy that no. And he was the crazy guy.
Well, you are the crazy guy.
No, you talk about
I guess
like the movie.
Well, in this part of the garage door politics, you are the crazy guy.
And glad to be.
I know, but see, I'm the voice of reason. Okay?
Oh yeah, I see a lot of reasons.
There's a lot of reason here. That's right.
That's a lot of
Make
reasons.
money, make money, make money. More jobs, more jobs, more jobs. Economy rolling good. Stock market looks good. 401k looks good.
It started to bump, not Trump.
No!
Trump just picked it up.
We had the Trump bump. You know that. Yeah. It was stagnant until Trump got elected.
I don't think so. Stagnant.
I already know. I've been checking back. I checked my 401k and I know better.
Okay.
Thank you.
It takes a while.
Hey, we're a year and a half into it. Looks pretty good to me so far. As I would say to you, can't complain. That's your signature. Can't complain.
I can.
Well, you can complain about all you want to complain because Governor Chris Christie took all your shit.
And now the Social Security.
Oh, who's that flag there, Louie?
I have no idea. Doesn't look New Mexico.
Yes, it is.
No, New Mexico has all those symbols.
It was Portugal. That was the president of Portugal.
That's not Portugal.
Then Spain.
Oh, I don't know about Spain. But I know that's not Portugal.
No. You know what flag that was? You have no idea. No idea. No idea.
Most of the
Peru!
Huh?
The Peruvian
Oh, I don't know.
Prime Minister.
Okay,
That's Peru. That's Peru.
I don't pay attention.
No, he was invited last month, the vice president went down to Peru to see make sure Putin wasn't getting out of Bolivia and coming over there. And
It's already dead.
yeah, well, that's why the vice president was there. But he invited the Peruvian prime minister to Washington, so it happened today. July 30th, 2018.
Okay, I don't know what the heck is going to happen.
Well, I tell you what. I'm going to tell you what. The hottest year, which is another bullshit deal. Anyway, Louie, it was nice. Unplugged. We did it so well. I'm so proud of you. This is normal the way we do it every day. And then we get our weekly show going and it gets us more fuel for the fire. But this is how we kind of unwind, but still keep on topic. So, anyway, this is Garage Door Politics Unplugged.
Have a good night.